Today we are back at our local DIY skate park, skate spot, Crackside, skating with some friends. Today we are going to teach my son, who is 7, how to drop in. Yo! Yeah, dude. Oh, man. I got you. Teach my kid how to drop in.
Alright, stomp hard. Ready? Go, stomp.
There you go. You had it.
Yeah.
Let me have that, man.
You want to do it without me?
I'm sorry, Alan. Yeah. You got it.
Yeah! Yeah.
Did it!
Yeah, dude.
That was crazy. You want to do the kick turn afterwards?
Yeah, you slid it. Yeah. That threw the whole thing off.
100%. That just threw me off a little. Do it up there.
Yeah, that was, yeah.
Yeah.
Do that up there.
I got a lot of man. Anybody front and I